What is up, guys? Soren Black here, and for my first actual video, I am doing the spicy ramen challenge, which I know I'm super late on. I got my fiance recording behind the camera here. What's up, babe? This is going to be interesting, and I am using the Dragon Ball Z bowl that I picked up from Ross for like $12 with chopsticks, and as you can see, that shit looks hot. So if you guys do want to see more of this, here we go. I got iced out milk on hand. I got iced coffee as well, so I got the fan on just in case. Oh, this is gonna be hot. Oh, this is gonna be hot. But here we go, and I am using chopsticks for this, the traditional way that you're supposed to, so let me wipe these off real quick because I was mixing with them. Alright, so here we go. And I'm going to try to finish all this, y'all, so this is going to be interesting, so here we go. There. It's gonna get a grip. Fuck it. I'll pencil that shit. Not bad right off rip. Pretty good. Oh, there's a big one right there. Definitely makes you sweat a bit, but it's not bad. I'd say it's got the consistency of like, I'd say like an extremely hot Tabasco sauce mixed with jalapeno peppers. It's not bad. I can definitely eat this. This actually isn't too bad. Yeah. These chopsticks are brand new, y'all, so they're still a little slick. I haven't broke them in yet. Alright, so change of plans. I'm going to switch over to the spoon real quick just to make it easier, because the chopsticks are not wanting to pick it up, so one moment. Where's that? Oh, there we go. It isn't bad, it's just spicy. It just makes you sweat a bit is really all it is. Other than that, it's not bad. I'm sweating a bit, but it's not bad. I'd say it's got the consistency of Cholula's hot sauce, but a little bit hotter. Just powering through it, man. Just powering through it. To my fiance who is currently watching this, give me a thumbs up or what do you think so far? How am I doing so far? Whew. Word of advice, y'all, always have something like this ice milk on hand. Oh, now it's kicking in. Whew. Halfway through, it's only one swig, not bad. Prepare my stomach for the last ride here. Cool. Cool. And done. As y'all can see, it is finished. Whew. Overall, definitely hot, but very good. And that is Spicy Ramen Challenge knocked out. Peace.